manicure chins. Ako lang butangan siya kuan no ako ni kung kuan on. Itong outfit kasi malamig-lamig na ba? Malamig-lamig na ngayon. Sana mag-dry siya quickly, uy. Mag-dry ba niya siyang mag-quick? Today, it's rainy day. Ako lang siyang kuanan. I will kuanan siya. Hindi ko lang siya naglimpyo. Hindi ko limpyuhan. Hindi rin ako limpyuhan ay. Para siyang gipatungan o. Para mo dry siya dali. Ito muna. Today is Bernice na. And I am going back to work. I still under the sick. And still kuan. Akong gikaligo, akong hilanat eh. Pila na kaadlaw ba? So, akong gikaligo karon akong suwayan mo lambada. And then wala ko ni inom og tambal, akong di na ko imning tambal para mo akong suwayan. Para mo okay na ba jud siya ba? Pero kung di mo okay, uuwi tayo. Yan. Oh. Ang color is green. Pero sa match sa aking damit. Match sa akong damit. Shoutout ni Sasha. Shoutout sa akong family this day sa Pennsylvania. Shoutout. Keep it up, Sash. Keep downloading. And also the Hawaiian walkers. My cousin Lucy. Nicole, I'm so thankful that you like my all the goodies, all the cosmetics. So happy that you love it. Tiara. And then we will put okay. Pagkakuan ba eh. We're gonna put this one. Para meron siyang bling bling. Mag bling 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 siya kaya ay. Ay na po. Yan lang siya. Para lang siyang matagal siyang mag-ano ba. It takes longer to takes longer to madaot, masisira yung kuko mo. I mean, yung nails mo ba? Yung meron siyang silver swan. Silver swan? Ano yun? Patis? Yan lang po. Ito pong buhay ko, no? And it's cheaper to do your own nails. And if you know how to do it, if you have patience, then why not coconut? This is what I always do. Even though when I was Watudat, I love to Watudat. But sometimes, like, if you are in a hurry, ba? But if you have little bit time, so you can do it. You don't have to go to salon. You don't have to go to salon. Do it yourself. You don't have to pay kuan pa. Oh. That's it. That's all. That's so quick, no? It's only 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes only doing your nails. Right there. I didn't put lotion yet on my skin. Nagda-dry na because it's getting cold. So right this.